In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize Mailchimp emails with first name. Personalizing your emails is one of the simplest ways to boost engagement and make your audience feel recognized. Today, we'll walk through how to add the recipient's first name to your Mailchimp email using merge tags. I'll keep it straightforward, explain why each step matters, and share a few practical tips along the way. First, head to your Mailchimp account and sign in. From your dashboard, start a new email by selecting the option to create an email campaign. If you see choices like regular email or automated email, choose the standard campaign type you use most often. The goal is to open the email builder where we can insert our personalized greeting. Next, pick a layout to work with. Select the basic layout option to keep things clean and easy to edit. This layout is perfect for demonstrating merge tags because it's simple, flexible, and works for most types of campaigns. After you click into Basic, Mailchimp will show you a few template variations. Choose the template that best matches your content style. Don't overthink it. You can always change fonts, colors, and content blocks later. Once you've made your selection, click Apply. This loads the template into the editor so you can start customizing. You should now see the drag and drop content blocks on the left and a live preview of your email on the right. Now decide where you want to add the personalized text. Most people place the first name in the opening line, either at the top of the main text block or just under the header. Click directly into the text block where you want the greeting to appear. You'll see a text toolbar pop up just like a standard text editor. Type your greeting to set the tone. For example, write "Dear" followed by a space, or go with a warmer "Hi" or "Hello" if it suits your brand. The key is to add the space after the word so the name flows naturally. To insert the recipient's first name, open the Merge Tags menu in the text toolbar. Depending on your view, it may be labeled Merge Tags or represented by a tag icon. From the list that appears, click First Name. Mailchimp will insert the first name merge tag right where your cursor is. You'll see a placeholder appear in the text editor to indicate the dynamic field. Immediately after the placeholder, add a comma or any punctuation you prefer, then continue with your sentence. For example, "Dear first name, thanks for joining us." A quick tip: personalization only works if your audience profile contains first names. If some contacts are missing that field, consider setting a default value in your audience settings so those subscribers still see a friendly greeting like "Hello there." This prevents awkward blanks in your salutation. Also pay attention to spacing. Include a space before and after the merge tag so everything reads smoothly when the email is sent. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review the formatting in the editor. Ensure the greeting looks consistent with your brand's font size, color, and style. If you're using multiple text blocks, you can repeat the merge tag anywhere you want the name to appear, though most campaigns limit it to the greeting for a natural feel. When you're satisfied, click Save and Exit. That locks in your changes and returns you to the campaign overview. From there, you can continue building out the rest of your message, schedule your send, or run your usual quality checks. If you use preview features or test emails, you should see the first name populate correctly for any contact that has that information on file. And that's it. You've added a personalized first name to your Mailchimp email, giving your message a more human, welcoming tone with just a couple of clicks. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.